Understanding mixer channel in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase mixer channel. This is a term that can be quite confusing for English learners, so we'll break it down together. Stay tuned to understand it thoroughly. Mixer channel primarily refers to a component in audio equipment. A mixer, in audio terms, is a device that combines sounds from different sources. Each channel on a mixer is a separate pathway for audio signals. Think of it like different lanes on a road. Each lane, or channel, carries different vehicles, audio signals, to the same destination, the mixer. While the technical definition is specific to audio engineering, mixer channel can also be used metaphorically in everyday English. For instance, someone might say, "I'm tuning into a different mixer channel in my mind," meaning they are changing their focus or thought process. It's a creative way to express the idea of shifting attention or perspective. Let's look at some examples. 1. In a recording studio, adjust the bass guitar's volume on mixer channel 4. 2. In everyday conversation, I need to switch my mixer channel to focus on my studies instead of social media. These examples show how mixer channel can be used in both its literal and figurative senses. That's all about mixer channel. We hope this video has made the concept clear and easy to understand. Whether you're dealing with actual audio equipment or using the phrase metaphorically, you now know what mixer channel means. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning content.